Wild ropes.
That's what it is.
Are we high enough for Centrals? Are you high enough? No. Oh, your hat just about gets you in. Wild ropes complete, Steve?
Smashed it.
Yeah, wow. I won. We were doing penalty points by penalty holds, and I won by 1 hold in the first lower section, and then we both just followed suit. But definitely worth doing. I don't think I'd do 4. I think that was a good decision to do 2. See the course, they wouldn't let us take the GoPro on there. Apparently you need the chesty mount. You probably could go on with a hand strap, which is what we're using, but we took their advice. Now we're off to go and see some animals. Do we go past it? Go past it. I can see you. You can see me. Stephen cautiously gets very fast. This is sort of like a nightmare, but you gotta do it. So we've come all this way to see a daddy longlegs. The black house spider. Probably should have a warning on this bit, shouldn't we? Like, if you don't like spiders. Redback. Oh yeah, that's a dangerous one, isn't it? I'm just putting it out there, Steve and I aren't fans of spiders. When you're in a zoo, well, that's the next one. Children's python. Ooh, look at that. Nice. Here's Congo. Okay, Steve-O's listing a lot of things I could see, but we're not. You're wondering where their next insurance advert's coming from. We're here at the crocodile enclosure, and I can't see a crocodile. Is there a crocodile anywhere, Steve-O?
Must be out there somewhere.
7 metres long, that crocodile. That's the only crocodile we're going to see today. It's similar to the wild ropes, to be honest. They're just not harnessed up. Tap to begin. Do you want to help save tigers? Gotta be Tim Tams. Gotta be Tim Tams. Try the Mars. See how do you reckon Mars rates? Oh no. So we're gonna email Mars. Do you reckon he's gonna try? Yeah, he's gone for it. Oh, he's using the tail. Oh, well played. Hopefully you can see there's a bongo down there. He's a very muddy hippo.
I think it's mud.
Look at it is. Or just water. It's just been in the water. Taking it easy, having a snooze.
Doing the high ropes.
Yeah, look how good they are. Oh. You know what country you're in when you see that in the back. So right now the fireworks are about to go off. Steve-O's got his camera setting up there. Mine is up here. We're going to see what we get.